Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Last game, it's always the game we look forward to, isn't it, Hika? The one that finishes, closes us off the tournament.
He's going to get a nice power plant there. Good touch, Bobby Mataariki. Take his time, passive play. Oh! Yeah, Jordan, we talked about him just early, and
courage to be able to hold on to it to the last moment where his support player got him behind the defence. We see him here, number 6 reaching out, couldn't get him. Early touch from the Ngati Hine. Static, nothing really on here. Takiwā setting things up. They decide to go the opposite way, just gets on the outside.
Back at it, 1-1 here. Here we go, coming on, Jordan Tuakana Hudson, coming through little, oh yes, ooh. I think he's caught him offside, Medicine offside.
Yeah, I think he said when you touched him he didn't have the ball. Pretty sure it was another fantastic call from our referee group. Made the touch.
But here we go, straight back at it. Tamato, Takiwā's going to come up on a sweep play. Very hard to stop on these sweeps. There we go, all day, every day, huge strike rate.
What happens?
Yeah, Milan Tāwera out there, just bang on the ruck. Tuakana, just look to slide it in. Yes. Goes nice and direct banger. Gets it around, he just holds it out. It's like a little slide dive. Only got them on watch, hasn't he, Jordan Tuakana, in this set.
I wonder if they'll play to try and get 3 penalties. Get them down to 5. No, they don't. Straight into there. Oh, well beaten.
Very static. Gets up, gets on the outside, because it was a link touch, and unfortunately this wasn't connected. But back at it, Madison there, Kake. Pokai awa kurukanga. Oh yes, Tako Haro Pati. Oh, what a pearl, what a ball, under pressure.
It's way too hard for me to do, as we see on this replay. Pokaawa comes to this, holds it, fakes it. Great pick up from the 10 from Ngati Hine. Was able to gather it, throw it back out.
Tako has come all the way from that far side link. Just looking to be connected there in this far corner. Ooh.
Oh no! No way! You think the play's going to die on the right-hand side. We're going to have a 6-touch turnover. But the Te Arawa player, I think it was number 12, doesn't die with the ball. Big right foot step down the sideline, and he loves it. A stretch too far, but if they get one here, she's over. See a big left to right pass. You don't normally see too many score around the outside. Great touch down there. Sure do. Great touch name, Stanton.
Yeah, Rofed or Stanton Kawati. And what a ball from Keenan, what a finish.
You can already see the Te Arawa boys in the sub-box, just rubbing each other's heads. They're pumped, chests are out. They know they've done enough, even though we see Ngati Hine go in with this one.
This year, tēnei te whiringa tō, o te taumata o ngā Tāne, a keia Jordan Tuakana te poro tētahi o ngā tino kai tākaro. Nō reira, me mihi kā tika, ki te haukainga te mana, a whenua, Te Arawa waka, they reign supreme, nā tō whakaihu waka, mo tēnei tau.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Whakarongo and you know.